Alam nyo guys, talagang believe din naman talaga ako sa talino ng tao na yan. Marami siyang alam. Minsan, hindi natin alam kung lahat ng mga tinidemo niya sa video is totoo. So, nasa atin na yung kung maniniwala tayo sa kanya, gusto nating itry para makita natin kung totoo yung sinasabi ng nasa video. So ito na naman tayo guys, may panibagong pasabog na naman ako. May-ari ng channel na ito, yung nagdi-demo, minsan gusto kong tawagin Master Blade kasi ang gamit niya lagi may blade. Anyway, salamat pa rin sa idea ang ibinibigay mo. Pero itong gagawin mo is pwede mo akong mapaniwala kasi andyan yung yellow, electric pot, bubuga talaga ng malamig yan. No doubt ako dyan. So guys, bago natin umpisahan ang video, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa aking mga follower. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aking channel. At huwag niyo pong kakalimutan pindutin po yung bell button para updated po kayo sa mga bago kong upload na video. Panoorin na natin. After nating mapanood, doon tayo magbibigay ng comment at reaction. Ito, watch this video guys.
Homemade air conditioning with just 2 plastic bottles. I'll show you a simple way to create a homemade air conditioner with just 2 2-liter plastic bottles and a fan. It's the perfect solution to cool down on hot days in an economical way. You have to make several small holes in both bottles. These holes will allow cold air to be distributed to cool you down when the fan blows. And if you are really suffering from unbearable heat, pay close attention. I'm sure this advice will help you as much as it helped me. Let's go to the fan, carefully open it and remove the impeller. Next, we'll attach the bottle to the holes on the back of the fan using some string. This trick is so valuable that within a matter of weeks, many people are looking for a way to escape the heat. And you will see how this homely air refreshes you. And best of all, it doesn't affect your energy consumption at all. Then you will reassemble the fan and finally get rid of this problem once and for all. If you think this is helpful for people who can't afford air conditioning, please leave your support below. I'm sure it will help a lot of people. Now add ice to the bottles. The fan will pull air through the ice, making it cooler and more pleasant. You don't need expensive air conditioning or ceiling fans. This trick will help you a lot. As soon as you turn on the fan, you will notice cool, refreshing air coming out. It's an economical and effective way to cool off on hot days. And when the ice melts, just open the lid to let the water out without making a mess. This was today's advice. Leave a rating from 0 to 10 in the comments to let us know if you liked our tips. Also, tell me what city you are watching from and if you are also watching at home. I hope that you enjoyed. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.
So guys, napanood natin yung video niya. So, mag-iwan kayo ng comment kung anong comment niya dun sa video na yan. Kung okay pa, approve ba sa inyo o hindi. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat. Abangan nyo pa ako sa susunod ko na video. Doon din tayo kukuha sa kanya. Matalino siya. Okay guys, thank you so much. God bless you. Maraming salamat po.